Welcome to this detailed tutorial on how to quickly update your header and footer in WordPress in just a few minutes. In this guided walkthrough, you will learn how to access your WordPress site, log in using your Google account, and navigate through the site editor to customize your header or footer menu. This procedure was originally created by Gerix Paul de Lima on April 5th, 2025, and offers a streamlined method to refresh your website's appearance. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, locate the login option at the top right corner of the screen. This is where you will initiate your secure access to your WordPress account. When you click on the login button, a new screen will appear, giving you various login options. At this point, select the option that invites you to continue with Google. This allows you to use your Google account credentials for a smooth and secure login process. After clicking on the Continue with Google button, you will be prompted to choose the Google account that you would like to connect with WordPress. Make sure to select the account linked to your WordPress site. After a successful login, you will find yourself on your WordPress home dashboard. In this area, focus on the Quick Links section where you are required to click on the Edit Site option. This important action will direct you to the site editor where you can make custom modifications to your site's structure and design. Once inside the site editor, shift your attention to the navigation settings. Within the editing interface, you will find an area dedicated to navigation. Clicking on navigation will open the options for managing your site's menu structures. This includes both the header and footer menu elements, which are key to ensuring easy user navigation and maintaining a consistent design theme. When you are in the navigation section, decide whether your intent is to modify the header or the footer menu. With a clear choice in mind, select the desired menu option that corresponds to your target area. Now you are ready to refine the design and content of either your header or footer. Following the selection, look for a set of 3 dots, which typically signify additional options or settings. By clicking on these dots, you will open a context menu that provides further customization features specific to the header or footer menu you have selected. This step is crucial because it unlocks the edit mode and a range of additional functionalities. Finally, after accessing the context menu, click on the edit option. Doing so activates the editing interface for your chosen element, whether it is the header or the footer. In this mode, you gain the freedom to adjust elements such as links, logos, colors, and other stylistic choices that match your overall branding and website design. This step-by-step process will enable you to quickly and efficiently modify your website's header or footer, allowing you to keep your site's interface modern and engaging. Enjoy the ease of these updates and the confidence that comes with knowing you have full control over your WordPress site layout. The entire process is designed to be straightforward and accessible, making it ideal for users of all experience levels. Happy editing!